Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create and play a chess game using Python. Okay, actually this game is a multiplayer game. If you want to play with your friends, it is possible to play with your friends. Okay, so let's start the video. So before start this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and help me to reach out 10k subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so mainly share our channel with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so let's start the video. Why I am created this video means we are in the quarantine holidays. These kind of videos will help you to make your quarantine holidays as a useful one and a knowledgeable one. Okay, so don't waste your time, try to learn any programming language. This is my personal advice to you. Okay, so let's start the code. Start to code, you need to install a library that is called as Python chess library. Okay, so here I already installed this library. Okay, so after the installation you need to import the library. Okay, so let's import the library called as Python chess. Okay, so the Python chess and chess both are the same. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, so after that you need to create an object for this. So let's create an object called board equal to chess dot board. Okay, so this object will help to create a chessboard for us. Okay, so after create the object we need to check whether our board object is working or not. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so this is the interface. Okay, so using this interface we are going to play the chess with your opponent. Okay, so after that we need to give some moves to the chess elements. Okay, so it's a time for play the game. So before giving the moves you need to know something. So this is not a usual game that you play on every computers. First of all you need to understand how to move the elements in this game. Okay, so for that we need to know what are the legal moves for this chess game. Okay, so here you need to write some piece of code to know what are the legal moves for this chess game. Okay, so let's write a code for this. Let's import chess board equal to chess dot board. After that you need to print the legal moves. Okay, so legal moves. Okay, so these are the valid moves. Okay, so this piece of code shows the legal moves in this chess game. By knowing this, it is easy for you to play the chess game. Okay, so every element in the chess has some own rules and regulations. Okay, so you need to understand the rules and regulations first. Okay, so here we need to give our first move. Okay, so it's a time to play the game. So before that you need to insert some moves into the chess elements. Okay, so first we try to move this white soldier to front 2 steps. Okay, so look this chessboard. Here two values are there, the small letters and the numbers. Okay, so consider the alphabetical letters as a column value and the numbers as a row value. Okay, so here you need to move this soldier to front 2 steps. Okay, so consider this entire chessboard as a matrix format. Okay, so the E row and the fourth column, the E column and the fourth row. Okay, so you need to give E4 value. Okay, so let's give the move. Okay, so here you need to move this one. Okay, so this is the syntax board dot push san E4. Okay, so this will move this soldier into the front 2 steps. Okay, so this soldier will appear here after run the program. Okay, so it worked. Okay, so after that we need to move our black element. Okay, so here you need to mention board dot push san. So here the black soldier is present in the E column. So here you need to use the value as E column and the fifth row value. Okay, so column value is E and the row value is 5. Okay, so let's give the E5 value. Okay, so it will work. Okay, so this is the script that I want to share with you. Okay, so you can play an entire game with your friends or colleagues. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep support me to reach 10k subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so please share this channel, share this video to your friends and colleagues. Okay, so thanks for watching, and this code is available on my Telegram channel. If you want this code, you can get this code on my Telegram channel. Okay, so thanks for watching and thank you.